Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and what we have here is a special package from OnePlus. It says never settle, and on the other side you see the name of the device. It is OnePlus 6T, OnePlus logo here, and this is a special reviewers package that they have created. It contains OnePlus 6T plus some extra goodies for reviewers. So let me quickly show you what you get inside, and this is probably not what you are going to get when you go shopping for OnePlus 6T, but there is a retail package inside, so I'm quickly gonna show you that. So let's peel this open. So the first thing is a letter. I'll keep this to the side, and then there's a OnePlus 6T reviewer guide, what seems to be the product information guide, which has all the details about the product. I'll also keep this to the side. There are a bunch of covers provided here. This is the sandstone finish. This also looks like sandstone, and this is the red color. So 3 covers provided. This is a microfiber cloth with OnePlus branding. We have Type-C earbuds. These are the bullet earbuds which OnePlus is giving for free for first few orders. And here we have some more products. So let me quickly take this out. This is an accessory package, and it has what seems to be a phone stand. So I can put it on the table, and it has this sticky part where I can just place the phone and it works as a phone stand. And here is the real deal, the OnePlus 6T. The retail package, if you shop online you will get this, and if you buy it in the promotion period or the pre-order, you will get this package free with this one. These are the Type-C earbuds. So this is the OnePlus 6T, and I'm gonna quickly unbox this, show you the phone, and I'll also tell you 6 reasons why this is different from OnePlus 6, or how it is different from OnePlus 6, and what all is new that you get with the OnePlus 6T over the OnePlus 6. This is a mirror black finish 128GB variant. The OnePlus 6T starts with 128GB capacity, and there is no 64GB variant unlike the OnePlus 6. So that is one of the 6 differences, and there are 5 more differences. So let's first unbox this, show you this phone closely, and then we'll talk about these differences. So they have put on this sleeve which tells about OnePlus community, and this is a paper sleeve. And then we have the box. The box texture has changed. It looks different. It looks more colorful compared to the previous generation phones, and it does look more upmarket as well. And here we have the phone, the OnePlus 6T. This is the teardrop notch that we have on top, and here is a sticker which actually highlights that there is an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is another difference of one of the 6 differences that you have in the OnePlus 6T over the OnePlus 6. And there are some plastics to the back. Let me remove these. And this is how the mirror black OnePlus 6T looks. Third difference is that there is no fingerprint scanner here, because it has moved here, which is under the display, just like many recent phones that we have seen which have under display fingerprint scanner. And this is how the phone looks. And notice one more thing, there is no headphone jack this time. So the jack has been removed. There is no jack here. So the jack joke, there is no jack, and you get Type-C only. This is another box inside the box. Let's see what's inside this. So here you have a soft clear back case. This is kind of black translucent cover, and some more stuff in here. And this is different from the previous generation, slightly different packaging. And here you have the SIM ejector tool. safety information, some stickers, and this is a leaflet which tells about the phone. So it actually tells what is where on the phone, which is a cool way. And unlock the speed, which is their punchline. Boy, this is gonna be a bit long video. So never mind. This is an invitation letter, a word from Pete, OnePlus CEO, and this is interesting. You have to peel it open from here. A very interesting experience they have created. 5 years old and million stories told, created with you, for you, and there is a handwritten message by Pete, who is the CEO of OnePlus. And last but not the least, a few more accessories here. This is the fast charger, or they call dash charger in India, and they don't call it dash in some other geographies. There is a lawsuit going on for this name. And here you have a USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and a new addition to OnePlus 6T is this dongle. Since there is no headphone jack, this is what you get instead. So you just plug this under the OnePlus 6T and you plug your 3.5mm headphone jack here. So this is the dongle which is used for connecting your old headphones or 3.5mm headphones onto this phone. If you lose this dongle, you have to buy it again, because this is pretty easy to lose. So you better take care of this, or better still move to wireless earphones, which does not require any cable at all. Let me get rid of everything and get back to the phone. So this is the OnePlus 6T in its flesh, and as you can see, this is the mirror black finish, which is quite shiny, and this is how it looks from the rear. This is the dual camera setup, the same setup as the previous generation OnePlus 6. This OnePlus logo here, and there's no fingerprint scanner. There's LED flash designed by OnePlus. On the right side is the power or wake up key, followed by the alert slider, which is on top of it. On top of the phone, there is secondary mic hole for noise cancellation. On the other side is the volume rocker and dual SIM card tray. You can also see some antenna bands in between. On the bottom, there are two grills, one of which is a speaker grill, and there is a Type-C USB charging port at the bottom. On the front is a larger display. This is a 6.41 inch display compared to the 6.28 inch that was found on the OnePlus 6. This is a larger display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio compared to 19.9 aspect ratio that is found on the OnePlus 6. So let me quickly set up this phone and get back. So we have the phone ready after the setup, and we have added our face for face unlock as well as fingerprint scanner. So I'm gonna first demonstrate the face unlock to you. So let me wake up the screen and tilt the phone towards my face, and it unlocks. As you can see, as soon as I turn it towards me, it unlocks. Now let me show you the fingerprint scanner. It is definitely faster than some of the fingerprint scanners that we have used, the in-display scanners that we have used on some of the Vivo phones. This is definitely faster than those, and this is probably the newer generation one, which is why it is much faster. The brightness seems to be slightly low here, so yeah, this is more like it. The animation also looks cool. This is how the display looks like, and the notch is much smaller this time, as you can see, and you can hide the notch by putting a black bar here, so everything comes down here and nothing bleeds into the notch area. But yeah, it is personal preference. It gets the same internals as the OnePlus 6 in terms of specifications, Snapdragon 845 chipset, but the memory that you get is 128 on the base variant now. So let me quickly recap the 6 differences that you get. The first and biggest difference is that the glass on the front has improved. This is a Gorilla Glass 6, so which is more resistant to drop, so it will not break easily even if it drops. That is first difference. Second difference is the display size. This is a 6.41 inch larger display because the notch is now smaller and the bottom chin is also now smaller. So compared to a OnePlus 6, This is a larger display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio compared to 19:9. The phone size has not increased, only a slight thickness increase, that is to accommodate larger battery, and that is the second difference. The third difference is the software version. This gets Android 9 out of the box, or Android Pie right out of the box, whereas the OnePlus 6 gets the Android 8 out of the box. So this is the newer version of Android that you are getting. The next difference is the storage. You get more storage here. The base variant gets twice the storage at 128 gigs. Another difference, which is one major difference, is the battery size. This one gets rid of headphone jack, so it has a larger battery, because the space that was used by the headphone jack on the inside of the phone is now used for larger battery, and the thickness has also slightly improved to accommodate a larger battery. So it gets a larger battery of 3700 milliampere hour compared to 3300 that was there on the previous generation phone. And sixth difference, which is the most visible, is that it lets go of the headphone jack which was there on the previous generation phone. It also gets slightly more expensive compared to the previous generation phone, but for in-display fingerprint scanner and twice the internal memory, I believe that it is not a bad deal. You're still getting a great phone. The camera software has improved, the overall Android software has improved, the Oxygen OS comes with new features, the phone becomes a refreshingly different with a slightly larger display, a water drop notch, and it gives you more premium feel. So the premium that they are asking kind of seems justified to me, although some people are disappointed, some users are disappointed because the entry price has gone up by a few thousand. But I really don't mind, considering that you are getting value for that extra money that you are paying for this phone. Well, these are my thoughts. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment section below. Do let us know how you find this phone. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this unboxing and quick overview and comparison with the OnePlus 6. I know this video has been longer than our usual videos, so thanks for watching till the end. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe by pressing the red subscribe button and press that bell notification icon next to it. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. You have a good day.